Another day, another week, another Manchester United loss. What's new? What's fucking new? Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, I guess. If you're brand new, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right below down there, please. Referee, blue whistle. Let's go. Let's get it over with, fam. Let's just get it over with. Manchester United lost today again. Manchester United had an opportunity to win 2 games in a row in the Premier League. Not happening. Manchester United had an opportunity to set the record right in terms of them not winning multiple games. Not happening. Manchester United had the opportunity to show Ruben Amorim and to show the world what they can do, could do, will do. Didn't happen. Ruben Bumbleclad Amorim, fam. Don't even go back on train if you go back home, bro. Just start pack your bags from now. Jump on a plane, go to Portugal. Make your people make some phone calls and make your wife a kid. Just make them move. Just go, fam. Just fucking go, bro. Just go. The results cannot continue. Me understand you talk well. You have a lot of faith in you and shit, but no, this just can't continue, bro. Cannot continue under no circumstances, bro. Under no circumstances. Manchester United lost today again, bro. Brentford beat them up bigly, dirtily, stinkly, disgustingly. They couldn't lay a limp on Brentford. Sesko with the first goal of the season. Oh my God, wonderful. Oh, so proud of you, Sesko. 3-1 them lose, brother. Bruno Fernandes. What the fuck, bro? What the living fuck, bro? Who are gonna blame them? Take too long to get the blood clot penalty this time? What, bro? I don't know. I can't tell you what. I can't tell you why. Why Manchester United is so shit. Well, for the past 10 years, Manchester United has been shit, but they have never been this shit, bro. What, bro? Father. It took me 2-3 hours to calm down and not come back and cuss no bumbo clap on the YouTube world. But still not calm, bro. I'm still not. How can I be so fucked up? Asha. Tuesday. A lot of millions of Americans might be furloughed because of the government in America. My biggest worry is Manchester United being such a big slice of shit, bro. I'm not worried about them losing them job. Me losing my job. It's just, oh my God, them bumbo. Liverpool lost 2-1. Chelsea lost 3-1. Tottenham draw. Man City win 5-1. Manchester United had the perfect opportunity to jump up standings today. Show the world what you can do, and you man just Harry Bumbleclap Maguire. What were you doing for the first goal? Coach, you deserve to be shown the door. You deserve to be shown outside the blood clot door. Harry Maguire shouldn't be playing for this team. So I guarantee you, I can guarantee you that if Euro was there, he would never be that deep on the line. Never, ever, fucking ever, bro. Manchester United lose, Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham. Yo, people, thank you very much. Drop a like on the video, subscribe for everybody new. Best of yourself, best of others, Manaz.